If you've been injured at a rental house in Bakersfield, you should know that landlords don't get a free pass when someone gets hurt on their property. California law requires rental homes to be kept in a reasonably safe and habitable condition. When landlords neglect hazards like broken steps, unstable decks, loose flooring, faulty wiring, plumbing leaks, or mold, you may be left with serious injuries. Many renters hesitate to take action. They worry about retaliation, eviction, or being blamed for the condition. But the truth is, if a property owner knew or should have known about a dangerous condition and failed to fix it, they can be held accountable for your injuries. That can include compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured at a rental house in Bakersfield, contact Maison Law right away.